Okay, we are on lesson 5.9, green butterflies. Equal and not equal. How can you decide if a number sentence is true or false? In other words, if it has the right answer or not. This says, color the cards that make the same number. So we're going to look for, on all of here, what are some that make the same number? What is 2 plus 6? Enzo? 8. So I'm just going to write it really tiny here, just so I don't forget. What's 12 minus 6?
6.
6. What's 6 plus 1? Enzo?
7.
7. What's 13 minus 6?
7.
7. Aha! So now we have two that are the same. 6 and 1 is 7, and 13 minus 6 is 7. So I'm going to color those two. I'm going to color my 6 and 1 and my 13 minus 6. So now I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for problems to which the answer is what? Both of these have the answer what? 7. So I'm going to find all of the ones that have 7, and I'm going to color them. If the answer isn't 7, I'm just going to leave it. So now I don't have to write answers anymore. All I have to decide is if it's 7 or not 7. Okay? 3 plus 3 plus 1. Aaliyah, what's 3 plus 3?
6.
And one more is?
7.
7. So we're going to color that one.
I can color. Wait.
Okay, well, you have a crayon, dear. In your desk, do you have crayons? Crayons, yeah. Okay. What about 10 plus 6? What's 10 plus 6, Enzo?
10 plus 6?
Uh-huh.
Easy. 16.
So is it 7?
No.
No. Okay. Aaliyah, what's 3 plus 4?
10 plus 4 is 7.
3 plus 4 is 7. So we're going to color that one.
Wait, teacher.
Okay, it doesn't matter what color, dear. Just that one. You got it right there. Just use it.
We have to write the tiny number under.
Nope, we don't have to write the tiny number. The only reason we were writing the tiny number was so that we would remember what the answers were until we ran into some that were the same. Okay? What's 4 plus 3, Aaliyah? We've done 3 plus 4. If 3 plus 4 is 7, what's 4 plus 3?
7.
Is your name Aaliyah? If 3 plus 4 is 7, what's 4 plus 3, Aaliyah?
4 plus 3 is 7.
7. Okay, Enzo. What's 5 plus 2 plus 5?
12.
12. You answered that really fast. How did you do that?
Because 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then you just add 2 more, 11, 12.
Good. 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 more, 11, 12. Very good. Is that 7?
No.
No. All right, what about 3 plus 2 plus 2? Enzo, tell me how you're solving it.
2 plus 2 equals 4. And then 3 more equals 7.
2 plus 2 is 4, and 3 more is 7. 7! What are we going to do with it?
Color it.
Color it.
This is fun.
I'm glad you like it. All right. What about 11 minus 2? 11 minus 2 is 9. Is it the same as 7?
No.
Nope. And what about 16 minus 9?
5. Wait, no, 7. 6. 7.
7. 16 minus 9 is 7.
11 minus 2 is 9.
Okay. All right. Can I get you two to go grab, I know this is going to be weird, go grab two arithmetic racks each. And Enzo, can you actually grab 3 and bring me one of them? Okay. Now, you have normally done math problems, number sentences, where you just have 2 numbers, one number plus another number equals, and then there's a blank where you write the total. And that's true. That's one way of writing it, but there are other ways to write addition. We can say, and I know this is silly, we can just say 9 is equal to 9. Is that true? Is 9 equal to 9? Is 9 the same thing as 9? Yes, just like Aaliyah is the same thing as Aaliyah, and Enzo is the same thing as Enzo. 9 is the same thing as 9. 9 equals 9.
Times.
What is 4 plus 5? Enzo?
10. 9.
9. 4 plus 5 is 9. And let's look at this. Be careful. This is where it gets tricky. It says 4 plus 5 is equal to blank plus 4. It's really tempting to go, oh, 4 plus 5 is 9. I'm done. Woo! But that's wrong because watch this. I'm going to use my 2 arithmetic racks. Just a minute, Enzo. 4 plus 5. But now let's look at this. 9 plus 4.
13.
9. It doesn't just say 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. It says that 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 plus 4. Are those two the same?
It equals 13.
It equals 13. That's nowhere near the same. So we have to figure out 4 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus what? Or is the same as what plus 4? I guess would be a better way to do it. 4 plus 5 is the same as what plus 4? Well, if we look at 4 plus 5, what is the answer to 4 plus 5, Enzo?
4 plus 5 is
9. 4 plus 5 is 9. So if we need to add to get up to 9, we've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did we pull over to join that 4 to make a total of 9, Aaliyah? How many did we pull up over here? 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 4, or is the same as 5 plus 4. Now, down here it says, which is true? Circle your answer. Which is false? Cross out your answer. So some of these, they have the right answer, and some of these, they got it totally wrong. So we're going to circle the ones that are right and cross out the ones that are wrong. 7 is equal to 8 minus 1, and we can check. We can go 8 minus 1. Sure enough, 5, 6, 7. That's true, so we circle it. This says 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2, so I'll use 2 arithmetic racks. 1 plus 2 is the same as 3 take away 2. Do I have the same total here and here?
No.
No. So I need to do what?
That's
Cross it out.
that. And 6 plus minus 6.
Okay, wait, we'll get to that. Just a minute. Let's look at this one. 4 plus 1. So I'll do 4 plus 1, and it says that it's the same as 5
That one's right.
plus 2. Is 4 plus 1 the same as 5 plus 2? No, because 4 plus 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7. So, alas, 4 plus 1 is not the same as 5 plus 2. Let's cross it out. Now let's try this one. 6 minus 6 is equal to 7 minus 7. 6, take away 6 gives me what? If I have 6 and I take away 6, what do I have, Enzo? 6, take away 6 is, Aaliyah, please be paying attention, dear.
0.
0. Well, let's try it with 7 minus 7. Let's see. 7, take away 7. What do I have?
0.
Is 0 the same thing as 0, Aaliyah?
Yeah.
Yes. So this one, even though it looks funny, is true. 6 minus 6 is equal to 7 minus 7. Or we could say 6 minus 6 is the same thing as 7 minus 7. Please stop humming. All right. 7 plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 3. Well, let me try it. 7 plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 3. Let's see if it's true. We've got 7, 8, 9, and 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it the same?
No.
It is. 7 plus 2 makes 9, and 6 plus 3 makes 9. So we can circle that. If it helps you guys, if it helps you, Aaliyah, what you can do is you can go 7 plus 2 and you can write a 9 up above. 6 plus 3 is 9 and you can write a 9 up above. And if they both have the same number, circle it. Let's try this one. 8 minus 2, 6 plus 4. So I'll start with 8. Now it says minus 2. So do I get more or take some away?
Take some away.
Take some away. 8 minus 2, what did that make? Enzo?
It makes
6. So if it's helpful, you can write it down kind of underneath. And then 6 plus 4, I'll use my other arithmetic rack. 6 plus 4. What's 6 plus 4, Aaliyah? 7, 8, 9, 10. Is 6 equal to 10? No. So what do we do? Cross it out. Let's do one more together. 5 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 3. So what am I going to start with, Aaliyah?
We're going to start with 5.
5. And then it says 5 minus 4. What does that mean I'm going to do, sweetheart?
Okay.
Take away how many?
4.
4. What does that leave me with, sweetheart? 1. Now I'll try the other side of the equation. 4 minus 3. I start with 4, and what do I do, Enzo?
4 minus 3?
Yep.
Just do that.
Yeah. 4, and then take away 3, right?
4, take away 3.
And do I have the same number on both of them? Yes. 5 minus 4 gives me 1, and 4 minus 3 gives me 1. So those are the same.
So circle.
Now this says 10 is equal to 1 plus 10. Now just a minute. Is that true? No, how do you know that that's just crazy talk?
1. 10 equals 1.
10 is equal to 1 plus 10. 10's equal to 10, right? Oh, I'm sorry, that doesn't say 1 plus 10, does it? It says 1 plus 0. Fine, let's try that.
1 plus 0 equals 1.
10 is equal to 1 plus 0. 10 is equal to 1 plus 0. Is that the same?
No.
Heavens no. So what do we do?
Cross it.
Cross it out.
I noticed something.
What?
That one of them was an X, one of them was a circle, one of them was an X, one of them was a circle, one of them was a circle, one of them was an X.
Oh wow, it did kind of make a pattern, didn't it? Okay, so in each of these, circle the ones that are true, cross off the ones that are false. Use your arithmetic racks to help you if you need to, and remember you can write the answers above or below if that's helpful to you. Go ahead and get started.